Need to fix the WinCore Debug Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for WinCore Debug Library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the WinCore Debug Library, a foundational Debug API Set Shim. It redirects localized unmanaged debugging calls, such as IsDebuggerPresent and OutputDebugString, to the core localized kernel base, mandatory for localized 64-bit software stability and localized developer diagnostic routines. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like WinCore Debug Library DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the WinCore Debug Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install WinCore Debug Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including WinCore Debug Library management references. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing WinCore Debug Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.